Hello everyone. In today's Quick Tips video I will discuss the different types of projects that are compatible with the VersiFlex decorative system. For today's video, I would like to draw your attention to our knowledge base article covering this topic. When working with VersiFlex you can press onto natural fabrics, untreated woods, and uncoated ceramics, but there are a few things to take into consideration. First, when it comes to wood projects, it is recommended that you work with softer wood types like pine, spruce, and cedar. Harder wood types can be too dense and may not be porous enough for an adequate transfer. You can use MDF and particle board if you wish to do so, but we recommend sticking to simpler designs to prevent ink bleeding. To press projects onto wood, we recommend 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds with low to medium pressure. The wood needs to have an even surface to allow smooth transfer and successful peeling. If working with fabrics, you have a lot of options. VersiFlex allows you to print and press onto most natural fabrics including cotton, suede, chiffon, velvet, and more. Please keep in mind that fabrics do need to be heat resistant for the transfer. For that reason, silk does not work well with VersiFlex. Leather also does not transfer due to the coating or sealant applied to the leather. It is also worth noting that fabric that has been pre-washed with a fabric softener may discolor when pressed. To press cotton and other natural fabrics, you will press at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds with high pressure. The pressure is especially key with fabrics. You should feel significant resistance when closing your heat press. Once the press has completed, you will quickly and firmly peel the paper away to reveal your completed design. For best results with cotton, use smooth, tightly woven fabrics. These provide an even surface for the transfer. Avoid heavily textured fabrics such as waffled, ribbed, or slub cotton. These create uneven pressure points that can distort the print. Pre-treated fabrics can also interfere with the proper transfer of VersiFlex, so we recommend avoiding fabrics with coatings or fabric softeners. To read more knowledge base articles like this one, please visit sawgrassinc.com/learn. That's all for today. See you next time.